Hello, this is Ken at GitKraken, and thanks for trying out Team Insights for Jira. I'm going to take a couple minutes here and walk you through some of the key parts of the interface to help familiarize you with the app. The first thing I want to draw your attention to is on the top right, the leave feedback and contact support buttons. As you're going through and using it, please use those. We definitely want to hear about what you like, what you dislike, any problems you run into, and any features or things you'd like to see added or changed. All right, let's jump in. On the top left, you'll see issues and epics. This will change the view below to either group the issues into their associated epics or have them fully exploded out like you see here. If you view by epics, you can expand them and the associated issues will be nested under them, just like associated subtasks are nested under issues. Below that, there's a search bar as well. So if you want to search on the title of a Jira issue or the issue key, anything associated with it, you can use that search there. Next up, we have the activity filter. What this is going to do is it's going to change the list of issues that are displayed in this view by activity. So if you want to see issues that only had activity within the last week or only had activity within the last 2 weeks or were touched by a specific person, you can make that adjustment here and the list of issues will refresh. Now the issue filter is going to change this list of issues by specific issue attributes. It's not going to be looking at specific activities within a time frame. So if you open up that issue filter, you'll see you can filter by project, by sprint, by status, by collaborators, all sorts of things that you can filter on, and you can filter on, multiple at a time. So this really helps you drill down to the list of issues that matter most to you. So if you're focused on a specific sprint and you want to see that activity or look into a particular team member to see if they're overloaded and have too many issues, this is a great way to get to that information. Once you've customized your view to get the list of issues that you're interested in, now it's time to start interacting with the timeline. Anything you see for boxes is going to indicate activity on a specific day. That could be Jira comments, that could be time logged, that could be commits in Git or pull requests. All that daily activity is going to show up as a box on the timeline. Now, the darker color the box, the more activity on that day. And you can simply mouse over just to see what that information is at a quick glance. If you want to drill into an issue and see details, you can just click on it and that will load the expanded view, where again, you can mouse over any of the information there to get a bit more detail about it. You can also use the column headings to sort. So if we click on pull requests, we can sort ascending or descending, seeing issues that have the most pull requests or the least. The same thing with commits, Jira comments, and then days indicates how many days the issue has been in the current status. So that's a quick overview. If you have any questions or feedback, please use those links at the top right. And thanks again for trying Team Insights for Jira.